Fight Electric's T8 and T12 LED linear tubes allow you to upgrade those old fluorescent lights easily. The Type AB tubes are the most convenient option for replacing fluorescent lights because the Type AB tube offers the most versatility. Use as a direct replacement for your fluorescent tube, and when the ballast burns out, bypass it and use the same tube. Plus, our Type AB tubes come in selectable white or cool white at 4000 Kelvin. With our Type AB tubes, installation is simple and fast because you don't need to replace the existing lamp holders. Here at Fight, we do this by making our Type B LED tubes use a double-ended wiring configuration. Installing your Type AB LED tube as a Type A light is easy. Start by turning your power off at the breaker, then carefully remove your old fluorescent tubes by twisting and pulling them out. Finally, insert your Type AB tubes into the lamp holders and twist them until they stop moving. Then, turn your lights on. The best part about the Type AB LED linear tube is when your ballast burns out, all you have to do is bypass your ballast. To do this, turn your power off at the breaker. Then, remove your Type AB tubes from your fixture by twisting and pulling them out. Remove the ballast cover to expose the wiring and the ballast. Then, cut all wires leading to the ballast and all wires leading from the ballast to the lamp holders. Strip the feed wires along with the wires from both lamp holders about 1 inch to provide sufficient length to connect to AC power. Then, group one side of the lamp holder's wires and attach them to the black line or hot wire using a wire nut. Group and attach the other lamp holder's wires to the white, the neutral wire. Once connected, you have the option to remove your old ballast. Lastly, neatly group your wires together and replace the ballast cover. Place the fixture retrofit label on the hot side of the ballast cover. Finally, reinstall your Type AB tubes by ensuring that the line and neutral ends on the tube match the line and neutral ends that you wired. Insert the pins into the lamp holders and twist the lights until they no longer move. Finally, restore your power at the breaker and enjoy the energy savings and longevity that come from Fight Electric LED linear tubes.